Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is January 16th, 2014. I'm going over with you our trades for the day. Let me start here on crude oil. Today was a tough day. We started off with a move to the downside. Couldn't catch this first move down. It occurred at 8 o'clock in the morning. The room was not open. We then got a retracement. A power entry signal short. The 50 had tremendous short bias. And it just overran our entry for a loss. Only our second full loss for the entire month. The same thing happened again. 50 was down, 15 was down, got a retracement. And took it down short, and we got overrun again. So we've only had one full loser the entire month, and we started off with two 10-tick losers. That's $600 on 300 and 300 on 3 contracts, and $1,000. 500 and 500 on 5 contracts. So we really had to trade ourselves out of a hole. So the next trade was a move to the upside, power entry short, 50 is heading down hard. That gave us 14 ticks. That was a 2-tick. 2-target win. Now, we couldn't take this trade, this move down, which was a beautiful move, simply because of this pivot. We don't trade into unbroken pivots. And this pivot was not broken by a 2/3 candle body close. So it stopped us from taking a very nice move to the downside. But on balance, not trading into unbroken pivots is a good strategy. Couldn't take this 3-line break to the upside because the 50 is heading down. Then we had a really nice 3-line, and actually the entry was on this candle here, the close of that candle, and that ran 14. Then we had a retracement. Excuse me. Power entry short, and that went for 10. So we had 3 winners in a row. Then if you move over to the Russell, this was a 3-line break in real time. This was colored green that showed we had order flow, stochastic, and momentum. As I've mentioned before in previous videos, fractal analysis is done differently when you reopen your trader as opposed to when you're looking at it live. This was a 3-line break. 15 is heading up, 2/3 candle close above the 50, and it ran for 13. So we started off with 2 losers and came back with 4 winners in a row, all of them second targets. And here's the way the day went. On crude, we had 3 winners and 2 losers. Our winners were 14 ticks, 10 ticks, 14 ticks. And both our losers were on crude, -10, -10. We had 1 trade on the Russell, which went 13. If you traded 3 contracts, after 4 second target wins in a row, you only lost $30 today. If you traded 5 contracts, you actually made $200 today because you were able to capitalize on that second target hit at 10 ticks, and we hit it every single time with our targets. So our total net ticks is plus 31, And this is our most rugged trading day of the entire month. We only had one full loser the entire month of January, and we had two full losers today. And simply by not losing our cool, staying with the plan, having confidence in the entries, even though we had two that failed, we came back with one winner, two winners, three winners, four winners, basically traded back to break even on three, and actually wound up with some profit on five. And that's really the way to take a tough day. If you're going to take a loser, if you're going to have a drawdown day, make it tiny. And this wasn't even a drawdown on five contracts. I know a lot of people get unnerved and rattled when they take two losers in a row, or they quit with two losers in a row. I think you should just remain calm, trade your plan, don't extend yourself, do not chase the market, look for your nice conservative entries, have faith in your program, and it will pull you back. And it did for us today. So I hope everybody comes to our online Trading Central webinar, which is tonight at 4:30 on January 16th. We're going to go over all of our entries. We're going to have a special promotional offer on price. We're going to offer 2 months free in the live trading room. So I hope to see you there. Have a great day.